Okay, what I have here today is a portable electric kettle. This is something really cool for anyone that's wanting to do kind of any type of camping, whether it's like I do, I camp out of my van a lot and just do some traveling, and I want to make some hot water, whether it's for oatmeal, coffee, or pretty much soup, whatever. Let me just kind of like go over some of the features of this thing. It's got a hidden storage power base. It's 4-segment temperature control, intelligent display. It's the capacity is a 350 milliliter water capacity on it. Rated power is 300 watts, and that matters when you're using a power bank. I have my power bank down here. Color is the white. Heating time is 4 to 6 minutes, and it is 304 stainless steel. And I think that's pretty much it. You know what? Let's just open this thing up and let's see what we got here in the package here. I've not looked at it yet, but well, I always like it when they put a lot of styrofoam and pack them nicely. So you got that. Oh, you got a nice little suede. Feels like a Crown Royal bag right there. And then looking at this, here's the instructions. You know what? I've used these portable kettles before. Pretty self-explanatory on that, so I won't need those. Wow, look at this thing. This thing looks premium. This thing looks really good. You got on and off and boil, and it looks like you've got 113 Fahrenheit, 131, 176, and 212. And then, oh, that must be like a relief thing right there. Oh, they gave you a cleaning brush. So a nice little cleaning brush. I always like having those with me. And then down here's where the open, there, if you can see it right here, there's an open and a close. So we are going to open it, and you see what's hidden in there? A small cord. I do like that the cord is attached, so you're not got to worry about losing it. There you go. So you have your power cord right there. And then all you're going to do is there's a max level in here. You see how it's all, this thing is solid, everybody. It's plastic on the outside, but this is all stainless steel right there. And you can see it says 304 milliliters max level. So let me go ahead, grab some water, put the power bank up here and get this thing plugged up. Let's get it heated. Okay, I just brought the power bank. This is the all-like power bank, 1,000 watt power bank. But what's good about this, we're gonna see how much power this thing consumes. So this is what I like about these power banks. I can look at the front and tell you exactly how much power this thing's taking. You got me a little Dasani water here. So we're gonna fill it up. And it looks like I'm right on the line. And I'm gonna guess it's a 16 ounce because this is a 20 ounce bottle and I probably have 4 ounces left. So let's put the lid on. The lid tips, lift the exhaust plug when the water is boiling. Oh, so when the water starts boiling, check that out. It actually pops up so it doesn't pressurize your canister. That's kind of neat. See how that's pushed down? Okay, so I'm looking at the front of it, turn it on. Right now, it's showing, you can't see it in there because it's flickering, but it's 66 degrees. Put it on boil, and look how I can go. It went 113, 131, 176. That is awesome. This is the first one where I get to choose the heat of my water. So, you know, you ever like boil something and it's way too hot and we have to wait for it to cool back down because it's so scorching hot? I'm gonna go 212 on this. Right now it's showing that it's going up. It's at 79, 78. 83, that thing's already at 90. That's fast. Let me let this sit here for a minute and let's see what it does. Looking at my power bank, I'm at 335 watts of power output. Very interesting. That's a little over 300, but my guess is, okay, it's already at almost 100. Let's let this thing heat up and then I'll come back. Okay, everybody, it's been about 3 minutes, believe it or not. This thing is at 195 degrees, and this little valve right here popped. So watch, let me push it down, and let's see if it does it again. This is cool. So what it does, it builds up pressure inside this thing, and it pops this little valve. I can feel it boiling. It is over, it's 200 on the dial right now, and it's still pulling 328 watts of power. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. So it's turned off right there. Now it shouldn't be pressurized. You can see right here, it is not pressurized. So let's open it up. And there it is. I don't know if you can see it in the camera there. I got my thermos here, so I'm gonna pour some in there. Well, there it is. That's hot water. Yep, that is definitely boiling water. That's warm. So yeah, I think this thing works great. I'll be able to use this amongst my travels. I recommend this for anyone that just wants a little portable kettle for heating water, whether it's for your coffee, your soup, your like Mountain House meals or oatmeal or something like that. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's all I got on the, the portable, adjustable portable kettle. See you all in the next video.